Hey, what's up guys? Theo here. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a view in SQL, specifically in MySQL Workbench. So according to W3 Schools, a SQL view is just a sort of a representation or a result set of a table. Um, and you can add functions, joins, whatever you want. And view always shows up-to-date data. It uses the database engine, the InnoDB, to again create sort of a update copy representation of this data. And so what's so great about a view? A view basically allows us to just have, sort of pre-built statements running. Or sorry, let me log back in. Okay, so here I have this React SQL database with the products, and I want to go ahead and create a view. So you see I already have a view called getAllProducts, and so basically if I just select rows right here, and we just have some very basic products here, about 9 products. So we just want to create a view that just grabs the top 5 very quickly, and we can do that by clicking here on views, create view, and we'll just say change this to top 5 products as, and now here's what we'll say, select all from products, limit 5, something like that. There's other ways to do it. We could say select top 5 from products as well. And I guess no, maybe that's not MySQL. I'm thinking of SQL Server. So say select all from products, limit 5. Okay, cool. And yeah, so you could do something like that. Again, very simple. I'll go ahead and save it. Go out of here and we'll save it. You see, it's going to generate the script to apply to our database. So it's going to create or replace it if it's already there. Limit 5. And let me go back. Actually, make sure I got this correct. I need that there. No, I don't think I need that. Alright, cool. So there we go. It's going to insert that semicolon on there. It's going to generate it. And so now if we go back and refresh our views, we have this top 5 products here, and we can sort of look at it. We can alter the view if we want. We can sort of look at what it's doing. So it's generated this database script for us. It's got all the columns, and it's just limiting 5. So it's very simple. So here we can run it, select all from React SQL, top 5 products, it's a view, and again, it's just sort of a segmentation of our specific representation of columns in our database. Hope you guys enjoyed that very quick video. Let me know if you liked it, and I'll keep making more SQL videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. Take care.